Well, hello. Today is December 2nd, 2024. First update in December. Well, okay. I am really excited because I'm finally back on track. This is day 3, so I've had 2 days of being back on track so far. So I'm really excited about that. I was working on cleaning up my diet. You know, it's interesting. Cleaning up your diet can be a process, it turns out. I tend to be all or nothing, like I'm either on or off, and then I have a lot of problems. So I've been working on my willingness I talked about before. Willingness to stop binge eating and stop overeating and stop eating off plan. Stop overeating stuff that I like, my trigger foods. And I've been working on that and working on my willingness, and it's been quite a struggle. It's been a big struggle. And oops, let me fix my light. Um, so yeah, I got sick and tired of being sick and tired is what happens. And it happened. And um, on Saturday, I guess it was, I cleaned up my food. And yesterday I had a really great clean eating day. So here we are today, Monday morning, December 2nd. So I've been working on implementing my willingness and implementing my plan. So I worked on, my goals. I worked on journaling. I worked on trying to eat on plan, and nothing was working. So I got my trigger foods out of the house, and then what was really weird is the other day I was hungry and I went to the co-op to go food shopping, and I ended up buying a bunch of trigger foods. And it's like, I'm in the middle of like going from the bulk aisle and putting it in my bags and going, what am I doing? Like, I don't want to be eating this. And I'm like, well, I have till the end of November, because I kind of figured December, let me fix this light. December 1st, I would start on plan. And I was like, well, tomorrow is November 30th. Like, I only have today to eat this, and that would be bad. So it was, and I bought it, which is really weird. So it was pretty shockingly insightful, that was weird. So habits, I guess, So sorry about the light. It's not doing the right thing. So that was pretty shocking. So then I bought probably $20 worth of my trigger foods, and then I ate some, and then I started putting them in Ziplocs to give to my friends. So I haven't finished putting everything in Ziplocs. I think today I will do that, because this morning I weighed myself for the first time since November 22nd, which is 9 days or a week? I have to look that up. And it was not a pretty sight. But the last time I weighed myself was November 20th, I think. And November 22nd, I had just gone off my prescription diuretic too. So I was feeling rather like, okay, well, my weight's going to go up because I went off my diuretic, because my cardiology appointment follow-up said everything is okay. So there's no medical reason to take it unless I retain fluid again and get edema again. So being back on my food plan, if I'm not losing weight, I'm gaining fluid. So we'll see tomorrow if it's just eating or fluid. Hopefully it's just eating, which is funny to say, because I'm back on track. So it's a struggle for me, but Mentally, it's December. So December 1st, I was going to start back anyway, and I'm just considering this prep season now. It's an early prep, which is fine. I like to get a head start, and I want to see how my body goes because it's always hard. Can't predict these things. And so we'll see how things go. I also am not sure what my food plan should be at this point. So it's kind of an experimental month, which is good. I'm glad I'm starting now because it gives me time. If I waited to start prep in January, I would not have enough time to fool around with what if, I need to adjust something. So it's good. I'm starting prep, and so I can work on adjusting my food plan, watching my weight starting today, taking photos starting today. And then I'll adjust my food plan and I'll adjust my cardio, and we'll go from here. So that's exciting. So today's weight was shocking, very shocking. I was up like 5 pounds from maybe a week ago or so. But I took out my, I pulled a back muscle last Saturday a week ago. So I've been working on healing my back and not being able to move as much for sure, not being able to work out like I usually do. So that's a factor too. So my back is much better. It's not 100%. I'd say it's 70% now. I'm able to do most things. I still am like struggling in my running and some of my movements, but I can do most of my daily life stuff without pain, which is really a relief because I was having a lot of pain. I wasn't able to do my daily life when it first happened, so I'm so grateful. I went last week to chiro and massage, and my chiropractor put on KT tape right on top of the pulled muscle, and immediately the next day I was so much better. So the KT tape I love. It helps so much. I've had it in the past for other things that have come up, and it always helps so much. So, and then I scheduled another chiropractor appointment for Wednesday and Friday. I usually go Fridays anyway. So I'll have an extra appointment on Wednesday for a treatment, and then probably reapply the KT tape and do some more of the kind of red light therapy treatment or whatever he does, electrical stimulus of light. I don't know what it is. And an adjustment. And yeah, hopefully by this Saturday, I'll be back to 90%, maybe even 100%. Every day it's a little better now. I still take ibuprofen and acetaminophen, which helps a lot. So I got running back in. I ran, let's see, Thursday was Thanksgiving. So I ran Thursday for a turkey trot. I was really having a hard time. But I ran, sorry, I'm adjusting my light. Oh, it's so bad. But I ran super slow and it was kind of painful, but I really wanted to do the turkey trot. So Ginger and I did a nice turkey trot. It didn't rain, so that was good. It was cold, but it didn't rain or snow, so that's good. So I did that. That was my first kind of long run back, a 5K. Friday, I did a little track workout. That was pretty better than Thursday. Saturday, I did a little run that was better than Friday. Yesterday, Sunday, I did a little run. So that's really good because I wasn't able to run at all for a couple days. So things are getting better. Today I'm going to run. Tomorrow I'm going to run. And then I have rest from run for a couple days. So that's getting better, which is such a relief. It's still not 100%. I'm still really stiff and there's still some soreness there. And if I bump into something, it hurts. So I just hope it gets better soon. And it's a good reminder to be grateful for my health and being able to work out. I mean, what a gift. Got to remember that this year. 2025 is coming. So I've also been working on my goals and stuff. It's kind of on pause since my back muscle got pulled, but now we're back on track. And so we started prep. I also still want to improve my physique, so I'm going to bring my calories down, which isn't good for building muscle, but I'll just keep working on building muscle at the same time. It can happen. I've done it before, but I do want to build muscle for this next season too. So it'll be interesting to keep track of my physique as I go, as I take photos. So I'm annoyed with the bigger areas. My waist, my tummy, my boobs are a little bigger, but you know, that's kind of okay. Drinking tea since I already had my morning coffee, my herbal tea. I worked this weekend, which is different, but sometimes happens. So, but I got things done. I cleaned and I prepped and I worked on some of my, I don't know what I worked on, journaling and errands, shopping. It was Black Friday, and I had an order to pick up at JCPenney, and I was already awake because I wake up really early. So I went to pick up the order at 5 a.m. when they opened on Black Friday, which is very funny because I've never done that before. And there was a big line, which is very funny because I've never done Black Friday shopping before. And I went ahead and stood in the line. They were giving out coupons, so I had fun visiting with people in their pajamas and stuff. And it was really cold, but the line moved really well once the doors opened. And then I got a coupon. I didn't even look at it. I went to pick up my item. I opened my coupon, and it was $100 coupon. Did I already say this? $100 coupon. I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't expect to shop at 5 in the morning. Like, that was not on my mind, really, to be able to make decisions. Plus, the place was filling up really fast. Did I already tell this story? So I got myself a new pots and pans kit, which I have not used yet, but my old ones are peeling, so I haven't quite unpacked everything yet from that because I'm trying to organize and minimize still my entire life. And then I keep bringing new stuff in from shopping, and it's kind of I'm frustrating myself and overwhelming myself. So I spend a lot of my free time trying to organize, trying to minimize, trying to pare things down, but you know, so I'm still working on that a lot. So anyway, the good news is I'm back on track. The good news is I'm back in prep so that I can get a head start on the season. The good news is I feel really great when I eat my clean bodybuilding food. The good news is I'm all food prepped for the day. The good news is my back is getting better. The good news is I'm still able to go to the gym, and today I was able to work out even more than yesterday because as my back gets better. So that's really good. And I'm also focusing on my core because my chiropractor told me to because of my back, and my flexibility, which I have been neglecting for quite a many months. When I used to have a daily practice of flexibility, I stopped doing that in prep and in competition. So I have been so stiff, and that has contributed to my back muscle pull. So now I'm back on working on my flexibility, which is going to be really helpful. Right now, the treadmill hurts my back muscle, so I'm not doing cardio at the gym right now, which is fine, because then I can add it in later to my prep and help that process. Plus, I'm still running, so all is very good. And now I'm got the impatience of myself, like, ooh, what will happen this month? Looking forward to changes in my physique and to see how the food plan works and how my exercise is working, how my cardio is working. And so I can tailor things as I go this time and make a few changes to my physique with my prep changes, I think. I learning with each prep and season. So it's exciting, and it's December, so it's coming to the end of the year, which is also exciting. So I think it's good. Heat's working, water's working, power's working. So for the winter here in the United States, I'm grateful for a warm house and a house. So lots of things. I was working on my journal this morning, and I journaled, and then I wrote a long gratitude list. So I'm keeping track this month of what I'm doing in my competition prep, so I can keep track of the little tiny steps to help it be successful, so then I can report on it in video. So I'm excited about that. That's going to be fun. So I will let you know as I go, and have a great day. Ask any questions below, like my video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.